Okay, so someone asked me, Maverick, what is the Shopify collection card? What does it mean? I clicked it and I don't even know how to go about it. Well, the Shopify collection card is just like a cover image for the Shopify collection page. Okay, so let me show you what I'm saying. Now, once you go to products here and you go to collections and you hit on add collections. Okay, so now these are, before I even click on add collections, all these images you're seeing here, these are your collection card. Okay, so the image for this is this is the collection card for this. Now if you do not add a collection card to your Shopify collection, or to any collection that you have, it's going to automatically bring a product from the collection, the products. Okay, so any of the products that is being listed under the collection is gonna use automatically. Shopify will generate an image from automatically. Shopify will use any product image listed under under the collection. Okay, but if you want a particular image for your collection, that is the collection card. So if I want a particular image for, let's say, this particular collection of women pants, now I can just click on it. Okay, or you can click on add collection, whichever one. And I already have some images, I already have some products under this listed under this collection. Okay, so now right here, this image that you see here is known as the place where we'll put our collection card. So if I want, I will just click on add image here, and once I click on add image, I'm gonna go ahead and select a particular image that I want to use, which would be the collection card. So let's say I want to use this image here, this lady's image. So though I know this is not a pants, but it's okay. Okay, let me just use this as an example. So I can use this lady here, okay, and as you can see, she's this lady, and I can go ahead. This is where we have this is our collection card. This is the card for this collection called women's pants. Okay, so I will just go ahead and I'm gonna save this. And if I should go to my theme and customize now, okay, let me go to my theme customization. Okay, okay, so I'm right here in this theme, my customization. So let me just add a section. Let me just use this spotlights collections. Okay, and let me just drop down. So you can see right here, I already add this. So, and this looks default. So I'm just gonna click on this collection link spotlight, whatever. So, and I'm gonna click on select. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on women's pants, which you can see. You can see the lady right here. I'm gonna select that and I hit on select. So now you can see that she is showing. Okay, so this is what is called the Shopify collection card. So this is the collection card. Even if I click on that, you can see that it says display image from parents collection. So this right here is the collection card. Okay, so and how you can do that is by going to your collection and go to images here, and right here is the collection card. Okay, so if you understand this, please like this video and also subscribe for more tutorials just like this. And maybe you want to share this with your friend and family also, you can go ahead and share with them. And I believe this video has been helpful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you, peace, and have a nice day ahead. Bye.